Welcome back to another Explainer. Today, we are opening the doors to a real-world digital masterclass. We're looking at a training session focused entirely on leveraging AI for massive workplace efficiency. Look, if you're drowning in corporate data, fighting tight deadlines, and wrestling with complex reports, you are in the exact right place. We're going to break down exactly how professionals are being trained to master these tools in literally just one day. Let's get into it.
But before we get into the nuts and bolts, I want you to ask yourself a serious question. Are you actually delegating to AI correctly? I mean, most of us are still treating AI like a glorified search engine, right? But to actually solve our daily data overload, we have to start treating it like a highly capable colleague. Are you giving it the right instructions to actually get the job done? Well, that's exactly what this training session aims to solve.
Okay, let's dive into this itinerary. First, we'll look at the masterclass itself, then tackle basic prompt engineering and compare the big three AI tools. After that, we'll cover corporate reporting, auditing, and monitoring, and finally wrap up with your next steps for today.
Section 1, the masterclass. Let's step into the room.
So here's a snapshot of a real-world corporate training session. You've got the trainer up front, a whole room of professionals with their laptops open, and they are fully dialed in. They aren't just passively listening, they're actively doing. This is a hands-on masterclass on AI productivity. The focus in that room is palpable because these folks know that mastering AI is no longer just some neat party trick, it's absolutely a fundamental requirement for staying competitive in the corporate world right now. Section 2. Basic prompt engineering, the foundation.
Okay, so prompt engineering is essentially the structured art of crafting highly specific instructions to extract the absolute best, most accurate outputs from these AI models. Think of it like this. Imagine your AI is an ultra-fast, incredibly smart intern. If you just toss them a vague instruction like, hey, fix this report, you are going to get a total mixed bag of results back. But if you give them precise, step-by-step instructions, the tone, the formatting, the exact data to pull from, you get perfection in seconds. That structured communication, that is prompt engineering.
And checking out the whiteboard notes from that training room is super revealing. The trainer was breaking down how the AI actually thinks. They noted parameters, even writing down that massive scale, like 4 trillion parameters, just to highlight the sheer computational horsepower behind these models. They also diagrammed how trained data flows into specific data sets. This is huge for professionals to grasp. AI doesn't just magically know things, right? It completely relies on these vast, defined parameters and the specific data sets it's fed. Once that clicks, you realize exactly why providing highly specific context in your prompts is just completely non-negotiable.
Section 3. The big three AI tools. Time to choose your AI colleague. And this brilliantly illustrates the big three tools based on their actual corporate utility, just like they covered in the masterclass. First, you've got ChatGPT, the powerful, versatile pioneer we all know. Then there's Microsoft Copilot, which is highly integrated across Microsoft 365, Word, Excel, all of that. And finally, Google Gemini, integrated right into the Google OS platform. The real takeaway here isn't about which one is best. It's that prompt engineering isn't tied to a single website. It is a highly transferable skill that you can deploy straight into your spreadsheets, your documents, or your workspace.
Section 4. Corporate reporting, real enterprise application. You can kind of feel the energy in the room shift as the trainer moves into the module on corporate monitoring, reporting, and auditing. This is where theory hits the bottom line. This is the exact moment where basic prompt engineering stops being a cool trick and transforms into a heavy-duty tool that will literally save you hours of manual labor every single week.
The whole crux of this module is simple but incredibly powerful. AI in reporting transforms raw, messy data into structured corporate insights instantly. Just think about the massive bottleneck of manual data synthesis. You've got spreadsheets, endless emails, messy PDFs, and normally it takes a human hours to read, digest, and format all of that into a cohesive executive summary. But by applying those prompt engineering basics, defining the parameters and data sets, you can just instruct the model to ingest that raw data and output a perfectly formatted report in seconds. It's a real game changer.
Section 5, auditing and monitoring. High-stakes applications.
This leads right into a highly practical workflow for auditing. The trainer outlines a really clear chronological process here. Step 1, you input your specific data set. Step 2, and this is the magic right here, you use prompt engineering to specifically instruct the AI to look for anomalies, outliers, or compliance breaches hidden within that data.
And step 3, the AI generates a comprehensive audit report based exactly on your parameters. Honestly, you're no longer searching for the needle in the haystack, you're just asking the AI to hand you the needle.
So the benefits of this are absolutely immense. As highlighted in the workshop, AI allows for tracking continuous data streams without any fatigue. It flags real-time compliance anomalies way faster than a human reviewer ever could, which drastically reduces manual oversight. And to be clear, this isn't about replacing the auditor or the monitor, right? It's about giving them a bionic eye. It maintains enterprise security and efficiency at a level that manual, human-only processes simply cannot match.
Section 6. Next steps today. Time to apply it.
The absolute most important takeaway from this explainer is simple. Apply prompt engineering to your next task. Look, knowing the AI uses 4 trillion parameters, or knowing the nuanced difference between ChatGPT and Copilot is honestly completely useless if you don't apply these skills at your desk today. Those professionals in that training room were actively typing, actively testing. You need to do the exact same thing.
So I want to leave you with this final, somewhat provocative thought. What will your first prompt be before you log off today? Are you going to ask an AI to summarize a chaotic email chain? Will you have it draft the structure for tomorrow's big report? Take everything we've looked at from this one-day mastery session, construct a highly specific instruction, and see the results for yourself. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy prompting.